Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D objects, part 1. 3D objects occur in all walks of life. This video will introduce some basic 3D objects and give examples where they occur in real life. Now, one of those basic 3D objects is the cube. It's a six-sided 3D object, and all their faces are exactly the same. So a cube is a six-sided 3D object where all the sides are equal. By sides we mean faces. Some cubes in real life. The dice, we all use those for games. Rubik's cubes, that used to be very popular around the world. Very difficult to solve too when it was all jumbled up. We've seen sugar cubes and we've seen ice cubes. Now there's a prism. It's sort of like a cube, but the sides are not all the same shape. They can be different sizes, okay? So the faces can be different sizes. So here are some prisms in real life. The juice container is very popular, and also the tissue box. And there are many, many other examples. Now here are some interesting objects. So the above are some examples of triangular prisms in real life. Now they approximate triangular prisms. You know, they may not be exact, but they're good approximations. If you slice that straight across there, that wedge of watermelon will be a triangular prism. The tent, that's pretty close. The slice of cheese, very close to a triangular prism. Here's another tent. That's a house, so the roof part of this house. There's a slice of cake, and there's a swing set. So they're good approximations of triangular prisms. They might not be exact, but they're fairly close. And here are other examples of prisms in real life. Now, if you look at these pencils, you can see that they have 6 sides there. See that there? See those lines? So that face there is a hexagon. So they're actually hexagonal prisms. They're just pencils. And here we have some very, very important objects. See these here, these nuts? A lot of the nuts have 6 sides to them. So they approximate straight sides, like that. So the top and the bottom of each of these nuts are the same. So they approximate the shape of hexagonal prisms. So this video has just looked at some very simple 3D objects, and we've seen some examples in real life.